video, you guys already know what we're about to do today. We're about to do an unboxing video of this bag right here, and you see I already ripped it open because I was so excited. Like as soon as my mom handed it to me, I was like, oh my god. And then I was like, I gotta film a video. So I stuck everything back in there. They're in their original, you know, packages, single packages. I just ripped the DHL thing open. So this is hair from Asteria Hair. So you open the bag, it's DHL or DHS, whatever. They give you 2 hair ties. These are so cute. It's like, I feel like everybody gives you something. So I just got some simple lengths. I didn't want nothing too long because it is summer and I don't want long hair in the summertime. And then we got 3 bundles. This is body wave hair. So body wave hair, and I got 16-inch bundles. And it ranged me of 165. So I'm just gonna pull everything out. This is what will come from this side. The knots are not bleached, so I'm going to have to bleach and tone the knots myself. Uniform, like that's very uniform for a hairline. Now with frontals, I've noticed that a lot of frontals are like thin, and like in the in between, you see all that hair, like this hair right here, all this hair that's short. I don't like that at all. So I could already tell that me and this frontal might have some issues just because of that. Like I think it's just gonna be thin. So as far as the construction looks good. I just don't like how there are tiny pieces, because they try to deceive you like it's full, but it's not full because they're just tiny pieces, and the ends are damn near see-through. So like when I straighten those out, those are gonna be see-through. That's why I want each hair, I want them all to be the same length. Like please, let's just do that. Companies, it's 2018. I'm not fully understanding. Now onto the bundle. So this is what it looks like. This is their bag. They have their logo, their name on a little tag connected to the bundle. So each bundle you get will come just in a little clear baggie like this with the length and their little sticker. And I got 16-inch bundles. So here is the bundle, 16 inches. Here's the tag. The tag says the brand, which is Asteria Hair. Material, human hair. Color, natural black. The net weight of the bundle itself is 3.5 ounces. And it can be dyed, permed, etc. So it just looks like this. The luster is nice. It's not too shiny. I don't like shiny lusters on my hair. It makes it look fake. So I love this. It's feeling nice so far. This is what the hair looks like. This is the bundle, or the top of the bundle. The bundle is pretty average thickness. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. I would prefer my bundles more on the thick side. Yeah, I believe I got this in Peruvian or Brazilian. So this is the 16-inch bundle, and I got 3, and they are all the same. Mind you guys, I've already been running my fingers through the other 2, so no tags, no tangles, no shedding, and it's nice and thick all the way to the ends. Yeah, I really like brands that give you little knickknacks. TINASHE Hair gave you like a pin, and it was with a black girl on it. With us to TINASHE, but it was a black girl. She had curly hair. It was really cute. They come in, this is the bag. This is their bag. I use it for pretty much hair storage, but I really like this detail to their packaging. You could use it for anything. Like it's really sturdy. You can even take, like I just put hair stuff in it, because you just take stuff out and like store your bundles when you're not using them, or your wigs or whatever. Like this is really good, and it zips like that. But about their hair though, it's not the best hair, and I already talked about this before when I previously recorded this video. I haven't had the best experiences when it comes to frontals. Let me just tell you a story. So previous to this hair, I had in TINASHE hair, and I did a lot of research. I thought like it was good enough for me to try. Clearly I didn't do enough research. Let me just show you guys. Okay, so I received the hair for my birthday. Wonderful for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I don't know. I just don't know. Now, normally I would deconstruct the wig when things like that happen. I'll deconstruct the wig and I'll just use the bundles and I'll make it work from there. Like I'll either get a closure from somewhere, or I'll just do looks with bundles, maybe like a top knot or like half up, half down. You know, I'll make it work. I'm very versatile. Like I know how to do hair, so I know how to make it work. Let me just show you guys the bundle. And when I tell you, when I first got this hair, it was full luscious, like the hair was huge. Okay, it was huge. Let me just show you what I'm working with now. And I'm so like mad because I can't show you before and after, but I can definitely show you this after. Like I can't show you before, but I can show you this after. And when I first got this hair, it was long. I got like 24 inch, 26 inch, but still like you can't even tell what type of pattern it used to be. It's matted in the middle. Like I tried to comb it out. Like this is what happens before you take a brush to it and comb it out. Like I can't even, because you know I can work with anything and I can make it look good to, you know, the outside world, but me personally, I feel like I shouldn't have to deal with that. Everything is not always good as it seems, so this is why I'm making this video, because I learned my lesson with TINASHE hair and I need to make a before so you guys can see the before. That is just a totally different story. If you guys would like to know about my experience with TINASHE hair, then just comment down below, and while you're doing that, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and also hit that notification button. You might as well just like it. I mean, if you're gonna do all that, you might just do all three and just get it out the way. So just like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, and I will be filming other videos involving this hair, and you guys will definitely have an update. But this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and more videos will be coming soon. By the way, I have a new setup, and I am actually using my camera, and I kind of been slipping because I've had this camera for years and I just didn't realize how it's not big of an improvement from my iPhone. I have really good iPhone quality. I have the 8 Plus or whatever was the last Plus. That's the one I have. So it's pretty good quality, but my camera is like just a notch above it. So stay tuned for lots and lots of videos, makeup, hair, everything that's going on in my life. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys later. Bye.